Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to BONK video update today, and I'm going to do some rapid fire updates at the moment. So I want to give you one very quick comment about BONK, and I think this is something that I must talk about. If I don't talk about, it's not going to be worth it for you to come into this channel. If you're new, do subscribe, and 6 more days to close the entries for February. Message me on Discord. Number one is that I want to show you a descending triangle. So if you look at the descending triangle pattern here, this is how it looks like. You may have pattern that looks similar to this, which is actually happening for BONK as well. And when you look at the descending triangle, you may actually see things going to the downside. There are two sides of a descending triangle. Now if I show you the first one, is that this is not necessarily bearish. Okay, I want to clear one thing. You may break and move to the upside. Right, let's actually clear this. Secondly is that you may break and go to the downside. The point is that it depends on the break. So where are you going to break for BONK? Because you have 10 more days. Within 10 days you are going to get an answer, right? And if you break below it, then you may be looking for a technical target that goes from there to there, and this may actually come down to 284. Okay, that may happen. That's the pattern technical target and not my own personal opinion, because you do have a flat support line right over here, and you do have this very big resistance line. Now in the meanwhile, you may see a very small temporary pushback to 1081 and then finally drop down, or if you break above, you are probably going to be moving up to 1158. So what's the break going to be? We're going to get to know in 10 days, and that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.